hear this. Liberty come through carelessness. So no matter with the carelessness. Hear me, sir, I want you hear me.
I'm going to free some soul today. Hey, I'm going to free some soul today. Yes, my child. I see when you come in, my child, but I was just busy preparing for this moment. What can I do for you now, my child?
Well, I want my friend and tell me say you're good, you know. So I want to know if you're good.
Well, if them say me good, you know, what them say work, you know.
My friend have one man, what she take, but I'm here and I'm out the man. So the man, woman come worry and say she give me 3 days to live and I not feel good. The stomach cannot feel right at all.
Yeah. The stomach not feel good.
I'm not going to make you hold no money. Nothing not happen. Nothing.
Yeah, I'm saying she good for you then. And you want clear what she do?
Yes, for guess what? I hate me normally going, but I don't have the money to go hate it right now. I mean, I have the time either because that 3 days she said she give me.
My child, yes, my child, the right thing you do. You come at the right person at the right time.
You're not the bad, because right now I need a bath.
Yes, my friend. I give bath. I'm my second day. Come here, my son. Alright, I have a problem like you. My friend want a bath. Go in the garden of Eden. Big tree, leaf of life, bring come. Okay, son. Crazy. Alright, my boy. Yes, my child. You know it's going to cost you.
Father Israel, it no matter the price, me no care about the cost. All me want to know say, me get a bath to go heal me, save me life.
Me have 3 leaf of life. You say your stomach can hurt you. This have to heal you. This have to turn back the blow. And this have to protect you. Yes, my child, you say you need a bath. But me no use showers. Me bathtub, my friend. Everything prepared. Don't worry yourself. Me know you did that will come. Me see you in my vision. And you don't want them want conquer you. Hey! Cut off clear! Hey! Cut off clear! Oh my God! Hey! Help! Cut off clear! Go at destruction! Go at it! Go at evil! Hey! My friend! Leap of life! Oh! This one here? I have to turn back the blow! Hey! You see this one here? I have to heal your sickness! Hey! You see this one here? I have to guide you! Hey! I'll let you set you free! I'll set you free! Why? Mr. say you're weak so till. Hey, you see this one here? I feel strengthen you. Hey, I'm going to give her a bath now. Hey, he's well. Free. Hey, he's well. Hey, my friend, don't move. Stand up, my friend, stand up. Hey, he's well. Come here, my friend. Oh God of my salvation. My friend, me are free, you know. Oh God of my salvation. Free me, friend. For all of this destruction. Hey, 100,000. When you see me a roll a while ago, I did up in me a roll out of you. Girl, make sure say, if you don't have me money, if you give me, you go and work the other way.
Man,
Wagwan boss, wagwan fire ass.
Back again, man, back here.
Just come from, bruh. Why you see me look?
That me I wonder how you just up today.
Why don't nobody here, you know? I read a man now, you know? But look now, go on for your body work, you know, the dopes.
I know, you know rapper again.
Man, them things done with. Shit money you say. Read a man thing. Yeah, man. Conquer the soul. I don't know me stay already.
So me answer still fresh from prison, you know.
So I go on.
So you know I think, you know.
You want some money?
Yeah, me man.
But you know what? I'm going to circle back to the because guess what now? You see, when the money go into the coffin, it can't come out until 3 days time. And it's the money I collect today, I tell loan me have now. And the money in the coffin already. So, I have to take me 3 days time before I can free up the money. But you know to put out some money in your yard, man. Because when I say, when the government man prison, man, the big robber go to prison pan, man.
True.
What the money part of the robber and the money there?
Yo, man, I think I'll be a thing, man. Yo, I'm coming sure I go on, man.
Yes,
I don't know, but I'm supposed to know business, man.
That's all.
Yeah, man, for real.
Yes.
Yeah, man, I must have a thing there for true, man, and get some food, man.
Yeah.
But you know, I give me one for lock up. So everything is that good, man, but that's what I'm doing, and I'm just there, so I just come home and I really want to run go home.
Okay.
Because she has to do something there.
Honestly, after 5 years, I didn't know you were coming back. I was so surprised when I saw you today.
I know some must come back on the road, man. They can't hold on the fire, you know, man.
Boy, I miss you though.
Sure, I said so.
Happy that you're back.
When I play in the mirror and rub down my face like that, I just feel like I just take a man in front of my house, you know, and put it in it.
Boy, talking about her, man, trust me. I guess you would want to hear it from me anyway.
Yeah, man, there's some more hear from you.
So I think your friends will tell you because you know what? Remember, I'm a girl on the side, and trust me, if I tell you what is happening, you're going to feel like, you know what? You're just saying that because you want me. But trust me, she moved dangerously.
So what really take place? That's have to end up at prison.
You know, it's a carelessness though.
Yo, for your rest, you know, so we have to lick 2 pictures out of this. Yeah, man, I have to lick 2 pictures, man.
Mad, man, we don't have time for that, you know.
I lick
Cut
2,
in the
man.
cut. Ready for cut now?
Yeah, man, take 2 pictures, man. Yeah, go on.
Real fast, man. Yo, we don't have time for that still, no.
Janet, me care. Janet, me chop up on her.
Chop up.
Me heart.
Heart attack, Reginald. Yo, can I move out? You know for that, yeah? Yo, heart attack, we don't have time for this. Can I move? Ready? Oh, go move on up in the gate, man. When the thing leak out now, I mean, them hold on pan, I'm at the picture of them, you know. So, you know, say him no get caught in the night, I just me alone. Get your whole fall and think. We know some man a gangster still. We're not squealing, you know.
Oh, you look drunk though, youth.
Man, we are doing something, you know. So I go on with you and for your man, because before I left, you know, baby years to get, you know. The man up and now.
Yeah, talk about fire. Them days are done, man. You see me? I make up on my thing, you know, brother.
I hear on the other now. You know, back in the day, I was just a DJ, man.
Yeah, laugh for that, man. You are next round, man. I'm here, man.
Simone, see boy them fellas on the side of the drink. See
Not say
them.
nothing, man. Watch me anyway when
See
me go
them.
in there. Watch me anyway when me go in there. Oh, you Mr. Player. Go in there. Warm. I warm. You don't think you pretty want something to eat?
I love the excitement of someone. Just relax, man.
You get paid on Friday even in the rum bar there. I warm. Yo, let me tell you something. You don't want the pin again on Friday. Yo, take pin here. Take it. I'm just telling you, look here. Don't be a man since it well.
You'll be a man on top, man.
I want to see a man.
Yeah, man,
Go down the
top,
pin again. There's a pump and the pin off the use.
You know, say, I can't meet up.
There's a pin off the drink. I want.
Relax,
Let's
man.
take this thing from my youth. Let's take this thing from.
Go to the door and see what.
Let yo, go touch my youth. You know what? You know what I'm saying? Now let's my business. Look here. Hear me, man. Hear me. You see when you come on. Yo, you see when you come on my youth, you're close out the door that Mr. Taylor. I don't want that to do. I don't want that to do. My youth. You know what? Come on now, my youth. Come on. Now let's go. Come on, my youth.
I don't think I go and see my man.
Have a players been that?
Between me and I feel me pitney, man.
See the pitney man, I'm look for the pitney brown and the two of them black. I must see a pitney.
Yeah, man, I feel me, but you don't know things set, you know. Jacket run things now.
What? The man just saying can't tell her to jump high.
Yo, this is
I know, now the man there crying.
This is a coffee I drink, trust me. Yo, see a part worse. Yo, you tell me to watch it, yard.
Yeah, you're supposed to watch it.
But we couldn't manage it, trust me.
Why? Why you can't manage it?
Yo, Rosie that kill it, bun.
What do you tell me?
Hear this, liberty come through carelessness. So no matter with the carelessness. Hear me, sir, want you hear me, miss.